To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Fun, funny. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two words. Fun. Fun means enjoyment and pleasure. It can be used as a noun to refer to enjoyment or a good time, and it can be used as an adjective to describe something that is enjoyable. For example, we had fun at the party. Here, I'm saying that we had an enjoyable time at the party. It was a fun party. Here, I'm describing the party as being fun. Funny. Funny means amusing or causing laughter. It's an adjective, so we can describe something to be amusing or something or someone that causes us to laugh. For example, Emma told me a funny story yesterday. Here I'm describing the story that Emma told me as amusing or it made me laugh. Funny can also describe something to be unexpected, strange, or surprising. For example, a funny thing happened to me today. I saw my friend from 10 years ago. So I'm saying it was surprising.